Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very important and commonly tested clinical concept: why vitamin B12 deficiency can mimic multiple sclerosis. Understanding this overlap is crucial because one condition is reversible while the other is chronic and progressive. Misdiagnosis can lead to serious consequences. Vitamin B12 physiological role. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in DNA synthesis and myelin maintenance. It acts as a cofactor in important metabolic pathways involving homocysteine and methylmalonyl-CoA. Its absorption depends on intrinsic factor and the terminal ileum. Deficiency disrupts both hematological and neurological systems. Causes of B12 deficiency. B12 deficiency may result from poor dietary intake, especially in strict vegetarians, or due to malabsorption conditions like pernicious anemia. Gastrointestinal diseases and certain drugs such as metformin and proton pump inhibitors also contribute. Neurological effects of B12 deficiency. B12 deficiency causes subacute combined degeneration of the spinal cord. It affects the posterior columns, leading to loss of vibration and position sense, and corticospinal tracts, causing weakness and spasticity. Peripheral neuropathy and cognitive impairment may also occur. Multiple sclerosis overview. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks myelin in the central nervous system. It results in plaque formation and disrupted nerve conduction, often following a relapsing remitting course. Core similarity, demyelination. The key reason B12 deficiency mimics multiple sclerosis is demyelination. In both conditions, damage to the myelin sheath slows nerve conduction and produces similar neurological deficits. Clinical overlap, the trap. Both conditions present with similar symptoms such as tingling, numbness, ataxia, weakness, spasticity, and visual disturbances. This overlap is what creates the diagnostic trap. Key differentiating features. Differentiation is crucial. B12 deficiency shows low B12 levels, increased methylmalonic acid, and macrocytic anemia with symmetrical symptoms. MS shows plaques on MRI, oligoclonal bands in CSF, and typically asymmetrical neurological deficits. Clinical importance, why this matters. This distinction is critical because B12 deficiency is reversible if treated early with supplementation. Misdiagnosing it as MS can delay treatment and lead to permanent neurological damage. Summary and exam gold point. To conclude, both vitamin B12 deficiency and multiple sclerosis cause demyelination and similar neurological symptoms. However, B12 deficiency is reversible. Therefore, always check vitamin B12 levels before diagnosing MS to avoid this critical neurological trap. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you now clearly understand why vitamin B12 deficiency can mimic multiple sclerosis and the importance of ruling out reversible causes before making a diagnosis. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures.